Many years ago, my father taught me a short poem. At the time, I memorized it, but I didn't fully understand it. Today, life has taught me its meaning.
The truth. Say it and be free. The truth about every matter. Telling lies will worsen matters. For the truth shall come to light. Liars live in fear. The first lie calls for countless more. Though you may be punished for speaking the truth. A stitch in time saves 9.
Truth may be painful, but lies are heavier to carry. This lesson from my father still guides me today. May it guide you too. If this video has impacted you, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more edifying content.